A free social media lower thirds for your videos. Open the preset file. Let's take one of the templates and edit. Same procedure can be used to edit the rest of the social media templates like the Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and others. Let me show you how to export as a transparent file and use it in your videos. Press Ctrl+M. Select QuickTime for the video format. Select the file location. Select Animation or Apple ProRes 4444 for the video codec. Select BPC plus Alpha. Use maximum render quality. Export.